me ask Abhishek Sudhir. Abhishek Sudhir, once when it happens, it can be a chance. Twice, coincidence. Thrice is definitely, as James Bond said, is definitely a conspiracy. I want to ask you, Bhavna Kishore, Swati Maliwal, Akanksha Khajuria, is it not right if we get to the conclusion that Aam Aadmi Party, and a party that in 2011 we covered for days on end in Ram Leela ground, days on end we stood there because it came with a whiff of change that it brought with it, fresh ideas. That party resorting to beating up of reporters and members of parliament, women at that, is this what they wanted to be, or have they become because power has corrupted them completely?
Anand, can you see my boots? I won't be quaking, and let me speak truth to power. Shame on Atishi Marleena. Shame on Atishi for victim shaming Swati Maliwal. Shame. Shame.
Thank you.
1 in 3 women, 3 महिलाओं में 1 महिलाओं पे हमला होता है, और वो हमला कौन करता है? आदमी करता है. इन आवर कंट्री, हमारे देश में, हम एक औरत, एक महिला पे हम कभी विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, चाहे वो बृजभूषण हो, चाहे वो बीबव कुमार हो. हमारे समाज में मर्द को बचाना है, बस. Our politics is misogynistic. There is patriarchy. Why is Brijbhushan Singh's son given a ticket? Why is Bibhav Kumar protected by Arvind Kejriwal? Because these politicians know that women's issues, when women are attacked, when women are sexually assaulted, Prajwal Revanna, has the alliance with JDS been broken by the BJP? No. What, for a piddly 3 seats in Karnataka? For 3 seats in the Mandya belt, in the Gowda belt, you are going to condone Prajwal Revanna. Same with Arvind Kejriwal.
We
what Atish? No,
it, and
Serial,
it happened,
please, I didn't.
It happened.
I didn't interrupt you. I'm not making a political point.
No.
Okay, you can rebut me when you get your chance. Now,
I will give you a chance to rebut. Let him complete. He's making a larger point.
Navika ji, my larger point is, I have refused to come on your channel the last 4 days because I have been asked, will you defend what Aam Aadmi Party has done in the case of Swati Maliwal? I said, mere appearances bhi kam ho jaye, koi baat nahi, main defend nahi karunga. I believed in Arvind Kejriwal. I joined
Aam Aadmi Party ke liye appear hote hain?
I've joined. I'm not a spokesperson, but I have supported the party in the liquor case because I felt that they've been unfairly treated. I have been a member of the Aam Aadmi Party. I'm the only person on the stage who's been a member of the Aam Aadmi Party. मेरे साथ भी अभद्रता और बदतमीजी हुई है एक लीडर की पीए के हाथ से, इसीलिए मैंने उस पार्टी को छोड़ा था. Today I'm telling you on the public much, but I'm a man, so but they can always
make headlines.
It does not that it doesn't make headlines. It's that what happened with Swati, I believe Swati Maliwal, Bibhav Kumar has the right to make his defense in court, but the Indian Evidence Act clearly states, especially when offenses concerning women, there is something known as a rebuttable presumption. When a woman says she has been attacked, the law says, कानून ये कहती है कि हमको मानना है कि वो सच बोल रही है. फिर अगर आप सबूत लेके आएंगे, सीसीटीवी लेके आएंगे और ये सच आता है कि उस पे हमला नहीं हुई है, तो फिर ठीक है, he can be exonerated. My larger point, Navika ji, is these issues don't impact the polls. Prajwal Revanna, Brijbhushan Singh, Swati Maliwal, these issues don't impact the polls. अभी भी हम जाति और धर्म पे ही वोट देते हैं, और जाति और धर्म के आधार पे ही इस चुनाव पे भी वोट दिया जाएगा. आप महिला की इश्यू, आप जेके, whether Swati goes to BJP or if she goes to BJP, she's BJP agent. If she doesn't go to BJP, she'll still be a Rajya Sabha member. So they will say, आपको power चाहिए, इसीलिए आप BJP नहीं जा रहे हो. क्योंकि if Swati goes to BJP, defection law आ जाएगा, she'll lose her Rajya Sabha seat. If Aam Aadmi Party expels her, Swati keeps her seat as an independent member of Rajya Sabha. So they will say, आप भाजपा के agent हो. Swati Maliwal has been with Aam Aadmi Party for 20 years. अगर Swati Maliwal की ये हाल होगी, तो कल आतिशी की क्या हाल होगी? Atishi has been with the party for 5 years. Swati Maliwal used to go with an NGO. Arvind Kejriwal had an NGO called Parivartan. Swati Maliwal used to move around with Arvind Kejriwal Parivartan. I believe our female wrestlers, मैं हमारी महिला पहलवानों का मैं भरोसा करता हूं. मैं कहता हूं कि हमारे महिला पहलवान सच बोल रहे हैं. क्या भाजपा वाले बोलेंगे आज कि महिला पहलवान सच बोल रहे हैं? मैं बोल रहा हूं कि स्वाति मालिवाल भी सच बोल रही है और महिला पहलवान भी सच बोल रही है.
Respond, GVL Narasimha.
You see, it's very easy to make it. I'm not here to judge any case. In the case of your reporter, evidence is on camera. everything is black and white. There is no reason for people to take any subjective statements. In the case of Swati Maliwal, she has given her own FIR. She is a member of Rajya Sabha. Plus, there is evidence of attack against her. There is a medical examination.
Do you believe our female
Certainly,
wrestlers? Do you believe our female
every allegation has to be considered on merits. There has to be investigation. There has to be, in the case of Revanna, there is a clear evidence. There is video evidence.
Why have you not
we have
broken the
condemned
alliance?
it. We
Gadbandhan aapne kyun
we
nahi
can't
bola?
take
Prime
action
Minister
against
campaign for
Revanna.
him.
He is not a member of our
Modi
party.
ji ne
We
kya
don't
kya
take
Prajwal
action
ke liye
against
vote
him.
doge to Modi
But
ko vote
anybody,
campaign for Revanna.
any
Prime Minister
attack
campaign
against
for
women,
Revanna
any
said he-
investigation.
Before he knew this, you campaigned for Arvind Kejriwal before he before Swati Maliwal
will the
was
Congress
beaten up in his
Prime
house.
Minister
You
distanced
campaigned for him.
Will
You
the
are
Congress
still
take
campaigning
alliance
for
with
him.
Aam Aadmi Party?
Exactly.
Will the Congress Party,
Gandhi
will you
out
break
himself.
alliance?
And I am saying,
Will the
am
Congress
saying-
Party, you can't speak
No,
for the Congress
I'm
Party,
telling you
but
no,
what
if
should the
what-
Congress do according to Tehseen? Should they
No,
break
if-
alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in
no
Delhi?
if, no
Today,
but. No, one
today
second.
please tell me your opinion.
No, again, Honorable Member of Parliament, no if, no but. Any attack on women, like he said, is wrong. Break the alliance. Now, I am asking you, I am saying Rahul
let
Gandhi
the
is wrong.
Congress
I am
Party
saying
break the
Arvind is
alliance.
wrong.
All
You
right.
say Prime Minister is
Harshvardhan
wrong.
Tripathi.
Say Prime Minister is
Harshvardhan
wrong.
Tripathi.